Thank you. All right, Perry, time to film another video. Clybourn. There's all the bikes. Restaurant's packed. The train, the red line. Oh, the Mariano's right here. I didn't know that. Sweet. Apple store. That's where I got this Milanese band, I think. This thing right here. $100. I think it's worth it. You know, it feels strong enough. You know, I'm going this way. Last minute changes are exciting. I'm gonna go back around. Going back to the city. Hey, car's behind me. I think. Oh, because ooh, that's a big one. That was a big one. That was a big rat right there. Holy cow, I wonder if that got on camera. That's a big one. I live that way. No, I won't go down Clybourn. But Clybourn does have a path. Maybe I should. Okay, I'll go down Clybourn. Alright, Clybourn it is to keep the continuity. Go both ways. Looking good. Oh, this restaurant right here is popping because they just broke their fast. I don't want to do crazy turns because it's slippery, slip and fall, and then you perish. No thank you. Look at this pathway. Protected streets. Let's go this way. Make things a little bit more interesting. Ooh, someone got booted. It's kind of scary staying close to these cars because you can get doored. Walls is a decent street to ride down. I don't want to ride down Walls. Old Town's that way. You know what? I will ride down Wells South. So you won't get to see Old Town, but it's safer for me to ride Hyperview. So you don't want to go full speed on these things. I'm gonna go on that side. You know, if someone walks in there and then it's like uncomfortable for both riders, both rider and walker. I would have been cleared, but you know, sometimes you gotta calculate the risk. Is the risk worth it? No, it's not. It's not worth it. Look at all those bikes. Sweet. Look at the weather out today. It was 30 degrees on Monday. Fahrenheit, by the way. Alright, I don't know what this car is doing. Looks a bit lost, gotta watch out for him. Hear this music, the vibe to Chicago on Wells and Erie Street. Of course, the train, the background, the L above ground. Not many cities have that. Oh, it's like a concert right here. Holy shit. Interesting. People are out today. I mean, it is Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays definitely are a thing here in Chicago, especially when it's warmer. And especially when the earlier the week was cold and now it's a significantly warmer climate. Definitely causes people to pop out. I was gonna get a cigar, but I probably shouldn't be smoking any stogies. This is Illinois Avenue, which is of course the name of our state, Illinois. The S is silent.
Hi.
Hello. A school bus. This late. What time is it? 8:15 p.m. Central Time. CST. Oh, okay. It's not our turn yet. I'm almost at my destination. Posts up a concert this Saturday. Something Tiger, maybe it's called Black Tiger Sex Machine. I think that's the name of the band. EDM, which I love. I'm a big fan of EDM. I like being able to vibe to music, but still being able to form thoughts in my head because there's no one speaking in it. And you know, it looks safe. I looked crazy left and right. Once I get a head mount, I'll be able to show you all of how determined I am to stay alive out here. Streets of Chicago. Sounds like some big vehicles are behind me, maybe some motorcycles, maybe some sport cars, but I want to speed up. Motorcycle. Hey. Not the best place to stop here. Guys are out riding, enjoying the weather. Super nice weather. You know, gotta love Chicago's vibes out here. So this street's a little interesting. You don't have your own lane, but there's definitely signs on the street letting you know that bikers are going to be riding. I know one of these days people are going to complain about what sides of the streets I ride on, but you know, I like to keep it loose and goose, but I follow the rules for the most. Oh, I can make this light. That was risky. My car was going super fast and expecting the light to change. I could have definitely been nailed. That was risky. But, you know, luckily I'm fortunate. I was looking hard around the left. So now I'm going to go down the right way of the street so I can park the bicycle, the e-bike, in the dock where I typically like to pick it up and drop off. This is a quick little video here. I'll be posting more content just like this. You probably can't hear anything I'm saying, but if you can, just know to stay in tune. All right, I see no other cars. No cars, no lights. Okay. Turn. I like to stop right here. Picasso right there. First Ascent also inside the building there. You see them climbing. You probably can't see them that well, but they're there. Oops, excuse me. Through the plaza I go. Woo! I would play around, do some circles, but pretty dangerous because it's wet, and I'll feel pretty stupid to fall and perhaps injure myself doing unnecessary activities, or as people say, being extra. But you know, this whole commentary, this whole page is going to be pretty extra, so it wouldn't be too far off brand.